sometimes my wife gets she gets tired of trying to think of ideas like what to cook, something like that. So we'll sit there and we'll spitball ideas, and I'll come up with some crazy stuff, and I suggest it to her. And this was one of the ideas we came up with that actually turned out to be pretty good. Now, the rice you normally use for this is probably like a Japanese, like a cal rose or sticky sushi rice or something like that, right?
Or jasmine rice.
Or jasmine rice. Thai jasmine. Very good rice for this. Today she's using basmati because that's the rice that we have right now, and we're going to pick up some tomorrow, whatever. I personally, I think stickier the better. So like a Japanese or a sushi type of rice is probably better to keep these formed together.
That's why I use egg to put it together.
So you use egg?
Yeah.
So she's using egg here to hold everything together. Do you ever use any other kind of meats?
Just pork.
Just pork?
No fat.
No fat on it. Well, it's up to you if you like fat, I guess. I'm assuming if pork works, chicken might be okay as well.
Chicken.
This is really good. And right now, like I said, this is basmati rice, so it's a little crumbly. You got to be delicate with it. Sometimes she'll make a soy, lemon, and what are those peppers? You don't know what kind of peppers they are? The peppers you put in the soy?
Thai peppers, something like that.
Thai chili?
Thai chili.
Something like that. So a soy sauce with lemon, a little bit of lemon in there, according to your taste, however lemony you want it, if you want lemon at all. And a pepper in there that you crack, cut it open a little bit for the flavor. And then you can actually like drizzle it on top or dip while you're eating. Makes it great. This is it seems like you like it too, right? Yeah, so this is one of my favorites right now. It's very nice. Is it easy? What would you rate it? Easy?
Yeah, easy.
The time is going to be the rice, which if you have a rice cooker, it won't take long. And then you just dice up your pork however you want it, season it, fry it, mix it with the rice and egg, mix it together, melt a little butter in a pan, in a non-stick pan, press the rice in there, and you just cook it according to how you want, like on both sides. That's about it. So these little rice patties, I guess, or whatever, but these are pretty good. So yeah.